Hi, I'm Rafael Rivera, CEO of the Professionals in Human Resources Association, and your host for the California HR Conference. I'm in Long Beach today to provide you with an update on this year's annual conference. Due to the ongoing concerns over COVID-19, we're not able to meet in Long Beach this August as originally planned. We support our hospitality partners and look forward to returning to Long Beach in 2021. To ensure your health and safety, I'm announcing a new conference format and launching a bold pricing strategy. Adjusting to changes, we will present the virtual 2020 California HR Conference on October 27th through the 29th. This year's conference will offer 12 real-time sessions, 30 credit earning hours, and 10 tracks, including California employment law, HR and technology, and inclusion and diversity. This event is more than a webinar. We're adding networking opportunities for you to connect with friends and peers. And as you've come to expect, we're working to add happy hours, comedy, and music experiences. At Pyra, we do things differently. We're so confident in the quality of our program, we're going to put you in charge of your race. Now through August 31st, you may register for free and then only pay what you think it's worth after the event. We're providing peace of mind and a hassle-free registration to ensure your professional development. I invite you to register today and to share this post with your friends and peers.